Backup is the process of copying data from one area to another, usually from one hard drive to another, or to an online location. Synchronization is the storage of files in two or more locations, where changes to one copy are reflected in all other copies. Synchronization is designed to keep data in different locations on a single system or multiple systems up to date. Next, I will teach you how to easily create backups and perform synchronization using AOMEI Backupper. If this helps you, you can click the link in the introduction to download it for free. Step 1. Select File Backup. Step 2. Click Add Files or Add Folders to add what you want to backup. Step 3. Click the destination box and select the storage path. To back up to a USB drive or other external device, connect it to the computer in advance. Step 4. Customize the backup task as needed. Click Start Backup to start the backup task. How to easily perform file synchronization. Step 1. Go to the Sync tab and select Basic Sync. Step 2. Click Add Folder to select the folder you want to synchronize. You can click the plus button to add multiple folders. Step 3. Select the destination location according to your needs. Step 4. If necessary, configure automatic synchronization under Schedule Sync. Then click Start Sync to synchronize files. Thank you for watching here. See you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send us an email.